Here I have my phone Hammer Energy, and let me show you how to insert here the microSD and Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key just to switch off the device. Let's choose power off and tab OK to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to find the tray located at the left edge of the device right here. Let's open this tray, as simple as that. Here you need to push this little hole right here by using some Thumber tag or special eject tool. So here I have my eject tool. Let's press this button. Now you can remove the tray from your device, and here you should insert the Nano SIM and microSD card. So let's start by inserting the memory card, the microSD, with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Now let's insert in the second slot the Nano SIM. So here I have the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and this is properly prepared slot. And now let's put this tray right here. And let's push it to the end. It's important to push it to the very end of the phone. So let me do it. Let me just make sure that I pushed it to the end. Now let's press the power key to switch on the myPhone Hammer Energy, and let me make sure that both cards works properly. The myPhone is turning on, so let's wait a few seconds until the device shows you the home screen. Alright, if you have a PIN, you have to enter the PIN for your card. Let's tap agree. The device is unlocking the SIM. So now let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here I have the settings. Let's choose the SIM cards, and as you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back, scroll down and choose storage. The storage is located right here under device tab, so let's choose storage, and as you may see, the device is reading our SD card. So basically everything went well, both cards works properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.